Namaste, our honorable teacher. A warm good morning to you and my dear friends. I would like to welcome you in our group presentation.
Today we are going to present Unit 1, Giving with Holding and Reporting Permission. A world's guided to good manners, how not to believe badly abroad. This unit is contributed by Norman Ramsey in New Headway English.
Narai, Anugya Khatiora, Prince Adahal, and Kritika Rizal. We are the presenter of this Unit 1, our old guide to good manner, how not to behave badly abroad. Our group is Group E.
Live in a global village with universal brotherhood, but it never means we all are same. Living in a brotherhood era never means we all have same influence. There is vast diversity among every group and country. Different people of different country have their own way of life. Indeed, there is unity, but there is difference in culture, lifestyle, clothing, fooding, behavior, and so on.
As Anugya said, different countries people have different ways of their life, as well as greeting also differ from country to country. Speaking of that, Canadians people and Americans people shake hand firmly, looking straight to their eyes while greeting. And while greeting with any American or Canadian people, you should not avoid eye contact as they find it disrespectful. And in context to Asian countries, they avoid physical contact while greeting. In countries like Japan, Korea, they prefer to bow head as greeting. And in Japan, the deeper you bow, the more respectful it is considered.
Like Japan, Thailand, India, Nepal are also Asian countries. So they join their palm and say namaste while greeting. So while doing namaste, they bow their head slightly. So they show their respect, but they don't do eye contact. France is an European country, so their greeting custom is also different from Asian countries. So French people greet by kissing on their cheeks to their friends and family members. But Asian avoid physical contact while greeting.
And our next topic is clothes. As we know that in Muslim countries, women can't reveal their body. They should wear burqa, which covers their whole part of the body. And about Japan also have their some kinds of rules. In Japan, we cannot enter house or restaurant by wearing shoes. We should take off our shoes while entering house or restaurant. And talking about Uganda is also a kind of developed countries in today's time. In the context of clothes, Ugandan people wear a comfortable dress. The women in Uganda are not allowed to wear short clothes or clothes.
You can overtake. Samiksha, go ahead.
In Burmese, people's casual footwear uses flip-flops. Peoples of Burmese mostly prefer to wear flip-flops than other footwears. While in North Korea, the president of North Korea, Kim Jong-un, has banned the Western dresses in North Korea. They are allowed to wear culture dresses only. While in Ethiopians, there is the culture that the women's which are bigger plates, they are more beautiful than normal girls.
Our next topic is food and drink. Lunch is a meal eaten around midday. Lunch is commonly called the second meal of the day after breakfast. The style of having lunch is different from country to country. In European country, lunch is the meal of the day. It can last to 2 to 3 hours. In a country like Britain, it is common to have a business card during lunchtime. In a country like Mexico and Japan, people don't prefer to talk about business while eating, and Japanese people rarely drink alcohol during lunchtime.
Like my previous Prinsa said, Japanese people do not prefer to drink while eating, and not only in Japan, the countries like China, Korea, they also have business meal, which is very normal in their countries. But during the business meal, they are not allowed to discuss about the business. That is their culture, to not talk about business while having the meal. In France, there is a rule that we should not sit down in the cafe until we have shaken hand with everyone we know. That is their friendly behavior, or kind of respect towards other. But in Russia, we must match our host drink for drink, or they will think we are unfriendly and impolite.
Last but not the least, our topic name is doing business. Doing business in foreign country is not that easy, but if you are able to fulfill their requirements, it might work out. Having a business card is necessary, as in the most of the countries, exchanging a business card is essential. In many countries, the business hours is from 9 to 5. 9 to 5. Before or after working hours, you should not it would be not okay to disturb them, as they might think you are unprofessional. And in context to Japan, you should present your business card with both of your hands, otherwise they would not accept it, and they will think that you are disrespectful towards them.
Norway has quick and informal communication, so they prefer focus on cooperation, and they like to trust among people to do business, whereas in Myanmar has culture of hospitality and openness, exchanging gifts and favors ingrained in society. When you meet new and potential businessmen, exchanging gifts are often part of the first ritual of getting to know each other. Whereas Egyptian won't proceed until they like you. Egyptian people appreciate through the presentation of your information. So make sure to have research and documentation to support your claim. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Well, very nice. You can stop sharing there. Really, if I have to comment on the presentations by this group E, I must say, in comparison to other presentations, this presentation, it was very smooth, so clear, and there is very good judgment over the content by your group, right? And really, I appreciate some other thing, like you also included some of very good facts, which is very relevant, and strengthen your, your quality of presentations. For example, how Korean government made a ban on the Western dresses. So these points, and you have also included other points even. So inclusion of those sort of facts, which are very supporting, is a very, I believe it's one of the very significant idea that you added here. And the way you made a synchronizations over your all presentation. For example, I noticed one, when I think Prinsa, yes, she was speaking, and at the same time she was, overlapped by Anugya. The way you are making a kind of synchronizations, that was very fabulous. It was very nice presentation, I must say.